my peeps to get paid.
Greetings, YouTube. A lion unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden channel. Today is indeed Tuesday, March 25th, 2020. In today's video, we want to give you guys a very first time look at a new section of our garden. We named this section of our garden Loquat Lane, and the name says it all, YouTube. Take a look at this. Yes, indeed, YouTube, yes. Welcome to a very first time look at Loquat Lane. If you recall from our What's Growing in Our Greenhouse video series, we showed you guys that we were indeed able to successfully germinate 3 loquat seeds during the winter months here. I want to give you guys a quick flashback of what those loquat seedlings looked like in our last What's Growing in Our Greenhouse video update. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our 3 loquat seedlings are looking like right here, right now at Loquat Lane. Take a look at this, YouTube. Yes, indeed. Here is our first loquat seedling. Our seedlings have reached a height of about 4 to 4.5 inches at this point. This is our second loquat seedling. And this is indeed our third loquat seedling, YouTube. I'll take you guys in for a close-up on these seedlings. And as you can see, they are indeed doing quite well, sprouting new leaves on virtually a weekly basis here, YouTube. And we can't possibly be more pleased by what we see over here at Loquat Lane. Aren't they looking good, YouTube? Again, they've reached a height of about 4 to 4.5 inches here. And we are really pleased by what we see from our 3 loquat seedlings over here at Loquat Lane. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video and you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing loquats on Loquat Lane. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Waking up early morning, it's a new day, and I'm trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to job for letting this lion see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping haters just like I did the last time, cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was years ago when I first hit the rap game, and way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This line is on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for top prize. I know it's been a minute, that don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time I hate the steps.